Dan Passarelli here. Well, there are a few things going on in the market. First of all, we had Meta and Apple and Amazon release earnings. Those are three of the Magnificent Seven that I talked about yesterday. And holy moly, take a look at this chart of Meta. It was up 20%. It closed up 20%. It was up even more than that at some point. And then if we take a look at Apple, and it started a great deal lower and ended up, which was below the 200-day moving average, and ended up busting through it and closing almost unchanged, which is probably because Meta and the final one to look at, Amazon, which also had a pretty big jump today, up almost 8%. Amazon and Meta drove the S&P 500 up, and I think that Apple just kind of rallied in a little bit of sympathy with it. Now, other news, we can see here, the S&P futures reached 4,997.25. Wow, that is almost 5,000. But what happens at these round numbers, we call them par numbers sometimes, is that they end up becoming psychological pivot points, support and resistance. And we can look at it as resistance right now, which may or may not hold. But then if we bust through the 5,000 level, there could be some follow through after that, and we could see the market continue even stronger. That's all I got for today. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Have a great weekend and trade smart.